Hello, I'm Oliver. Let's see how to set in the mix control for your Paladin EV radio to control the hydraulic system for your models. Let's see. First, let's go to the function assign to see which channel is controlled by which switch or the button or stick. Let's see. So hydraulic pump, it is controlled by VRA. For yours could be different, but you can compare with this one. And mine, the channel 5 is big arm, controlled by J2. Bucket, controlled by J1, channel 6. Okay, we already know this. We can go to the mix control. Pro mix, click Pro mix, you go inside. So for each channel, we can set two this controlling. Let's say the mix 1, mix 2, they are all about the bucket, but mix 1, it is about the stick, how much control curve for the bucket, for the stick control. So J1 is the master, slave is the bucket, channel 6, and let's see the control curve. We're tuning the 11 points. You can also choose another one. Okay, so now when you're moving the stick, so for the stick and the bucket, it is only moving like this, what you're setting, from 40 to 45%. So here also you can change it. You move the red points, then you can change how much you like the control curve. Okay, I will move it back. So that's how you change it. This one you can, actually this one not much use, so you can see if the stick moving, better to be put at 0%, you only change from others. This one, not this one. Changing this one and moving the red points to setting each dot to control the curve. Okay, this is for the control for the stick J1 for CH6, and you can set up a switch to control it on or off. So up is on, now it is at SWC, now it is on position. After you put on, it is at off position. Okay, so let's see the mix 2, that's for the pump. Bucket, to control, the master is J1, the bucket control stick. The slave is CH4 for the hydraulic pump, it means VRA. Okay, let's see the control curve. I set in like this. So you're controlling the bucket, the pump will start. So left point is around 80% for the pump. So this curve is always at a positive, at the upper part. So when I'm moving the bucket, it's this going up, the pump will start quickly and increase. Then we are keeping at the same rate. So here you will move in this, you will see how to set in it. Okay, this one, for the mix control, you can also switch it off, open, close. So now let's keep it open. So the mix control for the bucket is on. So same for the big arm, for the small arm, same setting like this. But for this, the first one, to control the stick, how much is the curve, have a switch, SWC. This one you need to set it from another one to be neutralized by another control curve. This one, the function red, go to function red, the bucket, you will see from here. So now you see this SWC is at on, I put it off. So this is the normal control curve for the bucket stick. So if I switch on the mix control curve, it is like this. So it is always, the rate is at 1, at 0. You see, it's not changing, it's flat. So it's not going up or not going to down. So no positive, no negative, so we will not neutralize the mix control rate for the stick. Let's see. So now we will go to another point you can check. You go to the display servos. Now we will see now at the mix control for stick bucket, it is at on position. So you move it. So the bucket is only moving like a 50-40 you can set up. So the bucket not moving too much here. That's for the stick control. Also the pump setting around 40-50. This and also at, see the pump always at positive, so only turn in one direction. So if I switch off the mix control for the stick, you see now is the stick can move in 100%. That's the normal control curve from this setting. That's this function rate from here. That's this setting. If this SWC at off position, if at on position will be the mix control curve. Let's check again. Mix control curve for the stick bucket. Normal control curve for the bucket. Also you can check the big arm. That's the normal control. So normal control curve you can also set up there. From the normal control, the control rate, I switch it on. The big arm will be like this. Okay, so that's how you're setting up for the mix control, for the hydraulic control. Also, let's go back to C. So you can remember for mix 1, you can also switch it off. You never need it. You don't have to set up. This is only one more setting for the control curve for the stick to control the bucket. What is really important for the hydraulic mix control, it is this one. You set up master the bucket control stick J1, slave the hydraulic pump CH4, and this control curve you can change as you like for how much the pump speed you like. And mainly the pump already set up with endpoints you will see from the main control. Endpoints is here. So for the pump it is already set 35. So it is already controlled here. Only up points, no negative side, only positive side. 35% it is maximum. So when you're setting from the mix control, we're setting up more than 45, 55, but it is for the pump mostly you already set up from the main control. It is only 35%. So if you want the pump to start more, you will have to set up from the endpoints, like 35 change to 45, 55, but better not too high, not to reach 80%, 90%. It's too much load for the pump. Maybe pressure too much will be bursting out your oil hose. Yeah, too much pressure. Thank you. If you have any more questions, welcome to ask. I will make more explanation to you.